In this tutorial, we will cover additional features available in the Appointment tab. First, go to the Appointment tab. To search for the patient you would like to schedule, click the eyeglass icon. Type in the patient's last name and click Find. Select the patient from the list and click OK. This pop-up is letting you know that the patient has a future appointment already scheduled. Click OK, and this will bring up the patient's account for further review or to schedule a new appointment. To view future appointments scheduled, select tab number 2, Scheduled Appointments. In this tab, you are able to view past, current, and future appointments this patient may have. If an appointment in this list is showing in red, this means at the time of check-in, the patient was labeled a no-show. In tab number 3, Canceled Appointments, you are able to view the appointments that were canceled for this patient. In the Scheduled and in the Canceled Appointment tab, you are able to select an appointment and view its history. By clicking the History button, this will display further detail, such as which staff member scheduled the appointment, the date and the time the appointment was created, the reason for cancellation, and whether it was canceled by the patient or the office. While in the Select Patient screen, you are also able to update the patient's demographic information. When changes are made, the patient's account is updated here and in the Patient Registration tab. When clicking on the Balance View button at the top of your screen, a pop-up will appear reflecting the patient's current financial status. This box reflects the patient's balance due, if the balance is due from the patient or an insurance company, the patient's last visit, and other financial information such as credits on the account and when the patient was last billed. Now back to tab number 1, New Appointment. To schedule a new appointment, you must always select a reason code for the patient's visit. To do so, click the eyeglass icon and click Find. Select the reason and click OK. Once you've added the reason, you have the option of selecting the Schedule Appointment button, which takes you out to the appointment calendar to schedule an appointment, or the Find Appointment button, which allows you to search for available appointments with specific criteria. In this demonstration, we will select the Find Appointment button. This takes you to the screen where you are able to input search criteria, such as the provider the patient would like to see, and the date and the time the patient would like to be seen. Type in the search criteria and select Search Now. This will display all available appointments within your set criteria. To schedule, select the appointment time and day and click Schedule Appointment button. This pop-up is asking you to confirm your selection. Once you confirm the appointment by clicking Yes, your appointment will now appear in the Select Patient screen under tab number 2, Scheduled Appointments. This concludes our tutorial reviewing additional features of the Appointment tab. If you have questions, please forward them to questions@ncgmedical.com. Thank you for watching.